the Gremlin Suites. This is our common room. So this is the space that we share with everyone who is in the suite. So the design choices were really centered around the couch, which we got first. We found just like these yellow pillows at Target or Walmart or whatever, and then everything else just really came together. This gray carpet, this table, we have 2 chairs for seating. Most of the stuff is just organized around how can we make it look semi-cute but functional. And we have this whole station over here, which is cleaning supplies, teas, also my espresso maker, and we have more things to make said teas and coffee. But we also have all of the suites. We're doing the dorm tour.
Say hi, Kat.
Hi, is this part going to be edited out? Funny if you left it in. This is Kat's dorm and Kathy's. And as we move into the hallway, we have a mirror. And I forgot over here, we have our lovely fall decor in our fireplace that does not work. And this is our dorm suite dorm, so we have a sign saying that this pumpkin we will get rid of soon, but very fall-esque. Happy November. I don't know when I will be posting this, but hopefully soon. And we have a quote wall that just is all of from quotes that we have said throughout the semester that we thought were funny, and so we put them up on the wall when we remembered to put them up on the wall. And then in the hallway we have the other dorm rooms and closets. This is a closet. This is our suite mate Ashley's room, and this is Lily's room, which we were gonna tour first, and my room is over yonder, as well as our suite mate Amy's room. And this is clothes because the dryers here are expensive.
Hello, come on in. So this is my bed. It's right by the radiator because I'm from the south and I can't deal with these Connecticut winters. So I'm always warm and toasty when it's nighttime. And yeah, I just have some lights hanging about to help set the mood at night because my window is an east facing windows, so I don't get a lot of sunlight in the afternoons. Right now it's morning, so we get some good lighting. Then I have my tea station over here because I can never go a day without tea. And then hair curler, obvi, because how else would I do my bangs? And then over here I just have like my daily stuff, just some cosmetics and my hair clips and everything, and then some decorations, always IKEA because IKEA has everything. Some pumpkins because it's not fall without many pumpkins. My desk where I do all my work. Yeah, my laptop, some books, my Bibles, and then over here, my pride and joy, I have my Animal Crossing Switch. Plant here. Her name is Lady. She has one leaf that's not doing well, but everything else is doing good. Here, so I really like doing collages because I just have a lot of little things that I pick up as I go on throughout life that I want to put on here. So like I have some, so this was like from a trip to Korea, this was from a trip to an art museum. Some of these are just cuttings from magazines. This is from like my textbook. It was from my class called First Order Logic. In the introduction to his volume Symbolic Logic, Lewis Carroll advised, when you come to any passage you don't understand, read it again. If you still don't understand it, read it again. If you fail even after 3 readings, very likely your brain is getting a little tired. In that case, put the book away and take other occupations. And the next day, when you come to it fresh, you will find that it is very likely quite easy. And my professor added this: The same might be said for this volume, although readers are forgiven if they take a break after 2 readings, which is a healthy reminder for me that if I'm just hitting a brick wall, I just need to take a break. And then this was like from my teacher when I got into Yale, and she like wrote a little letter to me. And it says like, if adventure will not befall a young lady in her own village, she must seek them abroad, by Jane Austen. And she put in parentheses, if not abroad, in Connecticut. I'm a bookworm, so I have all my books here. Portable charger because I'm irresponsible sometimes. Yeah, and then I have water in my water bottle, and over here I've been trying to memorize more Bible verses. So I kind of came up with this method where I just like fold an index card in half and then just like write one on one side and then one on the other side so that I can like memorize them. So I have that right here, so when I look up I can like keep reading them. I have these 2 candles that I got when I was in Amsterdam, and this was also from Amsterdam. It's from the shop Pansy, which is like this super cute ceramic shop in the heart of Amsterdam. I have Little Women on here to remind me to read it, and then my infamous book darts, which highly recommend if you are a book reader like me.
Hello again. This is my room. It's pretty similar to my room last year if you saw my dorm tour last year. Something new is I got this wonderful Thoreau blanket that says love like Jesus. So it's a great reminder of Jesus' love and what he calls us to do. So, and I have my basic white bedding as always. Some paintings also from last year. Yeah, I just changed the colors a little bit so it matched the vibes, but same paintings, same carpet. I really just like the traditional style carpet. I think I got it at like Target or something. My little bulldog that I got as a gift coming into school. And yeah, and I have some like Christmas lights. And then my desk where I do most of my studying as well. And then I have my propagating plants. I have my book stack and a bunch of film photos here that you saw me put up maybe if you watched my move-in vlog, and also my plant Wally over yonder. Yeah, I tie my curtains with a rope because I have way less windows. The surface area that I used to have for windows last year is not the same this year, so I try to maximize the light getting in my room. And yeah, I mean, over here I have a fan because I just like love sleeping to the sound of a fan, and I need some noise. And yeah, I just have like a whole wall of my ivy. This mirror that I made from Goodwill that I got this frame and then made it into a mirror. My print of Jesus from Celeste Clark. A birthday gift, which is like a collage of photos of me. A little letter from my mentor. A box, a thing of masks. And yeah, just a bunch of stuff in my bookshelf. I have actually some books. And my longboard. This is I've been forcing myself to actually not be scared to longboard, so that's fun. Closet. Letterboard. See, I kind of put the letterboard off to the side somewhere random. I didn't want to get rid of it fully, but I thought it was a little basic. So, yeah. So I put it to the side. And my mirror that I also DIY'd, gold. I just love the color gold. But, yeah, this is my room. I mean, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for coming along to this dorm/suite tour. I hope that you liked it and gave a little more insight to what the dorms here look like. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!